has a pretty good energy about her.
Yeah, she does. Hey, users.
Good boy, Joe. Ears not back there. That's a submissive thing, is it not?
Mm-hmm.
Sit. Devo. Quiet. You cheat. Do I have food in my pockets or what? Signals now. Good boy, too. Yeah. Sit.
They're not as good at catching.
No. Here. There, my man. Hey, you're smarty pants, aren't ya? You smart man of the household? Yes, you are. Do we do? Nice. Good. Break. Good boy. Nice. Around Sadie now. Good. I think I'm just going to let him be with him.
Yeah. He's spinning on his own.
Yeah. Good boy. You like doing that one. I need to do it really fast.
He's like, yeah, I can't do it that fast.
You want? You just gotta do something else. Place. Do it. Do it. Place. Come on. Do it. Place. Come on. Place. Atta good boy. Huh? Yeah, black Nelly out there. Good. Good boy. Come on. Huh? You're all right. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Do ya? Good boy. Come on. I know it's slippery. It's all right. I gotcha. Come on. Huh? Good. Wait. Okay, I gotcha. All right. Good boy. Sit. Can you sit? You're this only small, mommy. Good boy. What a good boy. Nice. Good boy. Are you the King Castle?